Alrighty, man. We done had fun at the Lamborghini rally today. Just pulled up on my dog Corey and all the rest of the gang, man. Y'all see what it is. ZL1s back to back. Hellcats back to back, man. It's a movie. Got the old schools out. Them old daddies out, man. Oh, I know what he's trying to do with this one. I got a good idea. Okay. Do the Monty Forge is on there. The whole little steering wheel, man. Y'all see what it is. Man, y'all know I had to pull up on my guy real quick, man. Get checked out, man. Y'all know he got a whole collage of whips out here, man. It ain't nothing to a boss, but you guys know.
Motherfucker, that matched the ZL1.
Hey, man, you know, I got whooped on by the Mero the other day, man. So, you know, I had to go back to the drawing board.
You gotta go back to that bitch.
He said back to the joint.
Back to it. They got those ZL1 gonna run across this bitch ass.
Hey, man, nah, put a red one out this time, man.
Nah, we ain't doing
look, we ain't doing that, look.
Nah, we ain't doing that.
Hey, that's funny.
Hey, you got the TV, they drawing hard, man.
Good looking, man. Appreciate it.
What year this is?
This a 19.
You got TV like that?
Hey, man. Shit, I said this was the drummer from Aerosmith. That's what they said. So I'm like, that's what I'm around with.
You need to get these wheel gloss back.
Yeah.
What? Gloss back, bro.
You not feeling the smoke gray? I feel like we got the same setup. He like, man, I don't care about that, man. That's out of here.
I don't know. I like that gloss black. Like, well, then if you dark, and I ain't gonna lie to you, like, if you get it just like that one, then yeah.
Right.
But you gotta look at the difference. You know what I'm saying? No.
It's a little bit lighter on me.
It's a pair. It's clean. Don't get me wrong. But you want that more to stand like with those wheels.
Right, huh? Make it bold, huh?
Make those popular more. That style they did.
Right.
Yeah, that's something done look good though. But that red.
Good looking, man. You know, I seen you in a few of these, man. So you know I had to come and get right, man. I'm like, man, my guy be out here going up. So
I'm telling you, bro, like, just the shit.
Gotta get that Miami business tent.
Ain't no for sure. It's a fishbowl right now, boy.
But then again, you got that red interior, so it's popping.
It's like, man.
It ain't good because they can see you, but can't see you. Like, damn.
Right, huh?
Okay. How they go? Okay. Black one out.
Hey, man.
It look good. Don't you put some wheels on there?
I'm thinking about it. See, I ain't really seen no yours with some good wheels on there without the wide body kit. So, yeah, that's why I'm like, man, I don't know.
I should have went on ahead and put some on one on. I just been chilling right now.
Man, you can still go do it, man. Come on, let's go tomorrow and do it, man. What we doing? He like, man, I got too much shit to do.
I'm about land right now.
Nah, I hear you. That's the smart thing to do. Trust me.
I'm letting everybody buy all the materials and shit. Have fun.
Hey,
they're gonna be saying Corey being there in the next 4 or 5 years. What the fuck you did? I'm like, y'all buying cars.
Y'all was buying cars. Y'all was buying Lambos.
I'm trying to tell you now.
Hey, man.
And then my music will take out. I'm still gonna be having a car too. I ain't got to pay for it.
That part.
My property will be paid.
We gotta work smarter, not harder.
I'm trying to tell you, man. I'm gonna be getting everything y'all got.
Hey, man, you got this right here. What you mean? You got about a few of these right here.
I'm gonna tell you something, man.
Look, he talking all that talking. He the one who got all the cars right here. He got every Hellcat, 4ZO1.
Man. Now that hard.
About 10 cars.
Look, talking about all that materialistic stuff. He the main one.
Man, but you got what I'm trying to tell you though, man. That come from hard work. You know, so I'm trying to tell people don't do it the way I did it.
Right, huh?
Listen, let them buy land. I'm trying to tell you, you buy everything you want.
Off of land, huh?
Don't work hard. Listen, I all working hard, but backwards.
Backwards.
I work hard, but work smart, and then to get the same result that you go get from the hard work.
Spent down there $1 million on cars already. If you had spent that on land, you'd have got back double.
So do you regret it?
Not at all.
Exactly.
I enjoyed it.
You enjoyed it.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm just excited for the new journey.
That part.
If you could start over and do it all over again, would you do it that way again?
No, I would do it with real estate, of course, because I'd be way bigger than what I am now. And that's the thing. One thing I like about the real estate, man, the real estate money, you could be so wealthy without being
famous.
That's why a lot of these folks rich as hell, you know who they is. These folks just got a lot of property, you know it.
Right.
They can just walk up in the dealership, I want this new
sure.
Ferrari.
Whatever they want, huh?
Just write a check.
Yeah.
They right off the lot, who the fuck is that? Oh, we don't know, they just brought it.
Right,
yeah, because while everybody out here doing that, they working hard, they buying this land. And that land paper, they buying it, They ain't just excited about this material, this shit for real, bro. So, you know, but that's how we was.
Hey, no, that's how we was brought up. Yeah. You know, it's our culture. We gotta look good first and think smart second.
That generational curse, bro.
No,
And
that
that's what I'm
part.
trying to do. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, we got further than a lot, so you know
Yeah,
how it
yeah, a
is.
lot of people. I see a lot of people really. You know what I'm saying? Starting to brighten up and
No, they are
kind of
though.
like open their eyes.
No, that's the good part, man.
The ones that just lost is just the ones that just ain't had no type of guidance.
Yeah,
The
I
ones who
peeped
really
that.
opened their eyes up is the ones that had a little bit of guidance, and the ones that had guidance. They seeing how real it is, and they're like, oh, you know, they waking up. So it's getting there. But definitely pull the dunk out, bro. Hey, that should be so hard. I gotta do some lights, bro.
Yeah, so you switched the wheels up on there since the last time I seen it.
Yeah, I just got swapped over yesterday.
Yeah, okay. It looked like it sit up higher, honestly.
That's it. Just right, man. I just got a little more tips that I gotta do.
You know you gotta take them forges off. I might as well get on his ass.
Man, Mine said they gonna whoop me, man, if I put some more $40 on the car.
Oh man,
See that the track I don't count.
he said it don't count. I'm giving that away.
That was a gift. That was given to me.
Given to me.
Yeah, and then my aunt OG told me, he said, man, if you want to get it to your people, get it to your people. I said, right? Because I like track cars, man. But
Right.
They ain't all that to me. Cool. They be here nasty.
That's the truth. We finally heard the truth, y'all, man.
Yeah.
This thing cold right here, though, man. This remind me of if you riding rims, you gotta ride flats. It looked like they all had this car in their video.
Yeah,
Got the whips though. 454. 454 with the big old.
Yeah, man, my boss shit
Grandma.
like he wanted to come out so bad. Pull out of there, man.
Man, we're gonna have to get you on some Harleys, man.
I rolled one already.
Nah, you ain't ride the right one. That shit was slow. That wasn't the one. You gotta ride mine.
Oh, you know what I'm
Oh
saying?
God, mine should be popping wheelies and everything.
See, now, goddamn, I just get on mine. Can't do all that now.
Hey, no, I'm telling you, you gonna love it. You ain't saying that because you ain't rolled it yet. You ain't rolled it
They
yet.
got Hardys out, knocked the paint off the
Dead
motherfucker.
ass.
I believe that. But I like that sport. I just love that sporty ride, though.
No,
Man,
yeah, for sure. But see
He
the
ain't,
Hardy,
he ain't been on it yet.
see the Hardy, you
It's-
can have Carmen on the back and just roll.
Yeah,
Music
player.
loud as hell.
Player.
Music rolling. Not that big old
Player.
crazy stupid wheel. Nah.
Wheels on that thing.
Not that big old 30-inch
not
wheel. Nah.
30s.
21s on there, 18s in the
Red
back.
40s on there.
Rolling. You know what I'm
Right,
saying?
That ride with me.
Hey,
I gotta see the time.
Cruising at 110, literally
I'm telling
cruising. At 110, cruising.
Oh, and it start right up.
Oh, you see it, boy?
What?
That's that 454 right there.
Ooh, wee.
Old man clean, huh?
Oh, and the top work. Do the top work, man. Do it come down. Y'all see what's going on. This thing pretty cool. So what's your plans for this one, man?
We'll keep it clean, man.
Gonna keep it clean and original?
Thinking about.
I don't think so, man, to be honest with you.
No, I don't think I'm gonna keep it original now, but I'm gonna keep it like
The interior A1 though.
so we're gonna get the interior touched up,
Okay.
like just like at the doors, you know, the door panels and all that type shit.
Right.
You feel me? We just gonna add some music to it. We'll get a new top, a new color top. We'll get the body, we'll get it
You
repainted.
gonna go red top? Or burgundy top?
Nah, I might just go green top.
Green top? Ooh.
The green stitch, that pin stripe on the
Okay,
side. with
I see where we going with it. Okay.
That green tube.
I
on
can
the
dig
seats.
where we going with it.
So
Okay.
hard, it's gonna be so hard. And then I'm gonna do some all chrome wheels. I'm gonna do like, I don't know, kind of it'll be hard, but I'm gonna do all chrome.
Sixes, fours?
Sixes.
Sixes, okay. Deep dish with the tube in the back.
Bro,
Okay.
come on, man.
Come on, man.
That'll be a squad center, right?
What they say, 454 to a 505? Is we going 505 or is we keeping it what we doing, man?
No, I don't even.
Look, I ain't gotta say too much, man. You know what it is.
You already know what it is.
Look, man, we out here going up though, man. That thing clean, man. That thing definitely clean. They gonna appreciate this one. Y'all see what it is though, man.
I ain't open the trunk up. That's crazy.
Them niggas used to put bodies in the back of these cars.
See, that boy,
What?
take that boy to the lake.
Down by the lake. Fuck you mean? See what we got in here.
Original jack, everything in there.
Oh shit.
See,
Body in
whole
that
body
motherfucker.
for sure. Well, it looked like it wrapped up.
I knew it. The original jack back there.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That's
That thing is
crazy.
huge. I ain't seen the trunk this big in a minute.
boy. I'm gonna do a video for YouTube, man. And I do a video for YouTube, so I can upload it real quick. Taking a video of it. I'm gonna show them my new channel. Well, they already see it, but I ain't do it full.
You ain't show under the hood.
They get the other phone.
Yeah.